My 70-year-old mom and dad have been redoing their bathroom, and they've been demolishing it themselves. Look at what they pulled out of that thing. This is what the tile is stuck to. That much concrete. Don't touch it. Don't get tetanus. Don't get tetanus, everybody.
But why did you touch it?
More than you signed up for?
Oh my God.
All right, so my parents are remodeling 2 bathrooms into 1 bathroom. That used to be the shower. This used to be a bathtub in this bathroom. And then we had toilets, obviously, over there and over here.
There was an inch of mortar on the walls, and then the floor, the tile was set on about 1.25 inches of mortar, and then under that was 3 inches of concrete. It's called a thick set bed.
Ugh, terrible. So this house is from the 1960s, and they don't make them like they used to, and that's really excellent because this is a total nightmare. So what in the world is that? What is that about? Why do you think they would have done that?
That trench?
Or is that rot?
I don't know. Huh?
Is that rot right here?
Yeah, this is rot. Yeah. But you can see where they actually cut. There's the top of the joist. So they actually notched this joist out and took about a solid inch and a quarter out of each of these joists to lower the floor so they could put that thick set bed of
And there was concrete all the way down to there?
No,
Okay.
there was tar paper across here to keep it from going down in here. So this was a hollow
Thank goodness.
channel, but the concrete went from here to here, and then the tile more.
Wow. So the question now is what to do about the fact that this floor, I mean, this is like, yeah, that's pretty rotten.
Yeah, around the toilet.
And then this, it's like it's just literally turned into dust. Do you think that's termite? What makes
I don't
dust
think
like
so,
that?
but look, yeah, you can see how this is just
Oh my God.
crumbly wood.
Concrete on the floor of a bathroom. This, everybody, is why we used an uncoupling mat in the floor of our bathroom so that I wouldn't ever have to worry about water getting into the tile mortar and then just staying there and staying wet. Just wanted to show people what's behind the walls when you actually start getting in there. This is, this is the life of a contractor, especially in renovation and remodeling where they have to deal with what happened before. Comment below if you have other stories like this. Tune in next time.